Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Coinbase with debit card. So let's get started. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to add the money, tap onto the portfolio option right here. Now you can see something like this. And here you can find the option of deposit. Now simply tap on it. Now to deposit from the debit card, simply tap on to the deposit cash from your bank right here. Now here is the thing, if it is available on your region, you can simply add the money on your Coinbase account with a debit card or your bank account, and if it is not available, you can simply see something like this. And that's it. This is how you can add money to Coinbase with debit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.